This time, Take will make chashu pork and use it in 3 dishes. One is a snack, one is a bowl of chashu pork, and the other is the familiar Ichiraku Ramen style with the Naruto anime.
Oh, it's exciting.
Pick scallions from the garden. Wash the leeks, remove the soil, and peel off the outer skin. Prepare the seasoning for the chashu. Grate the ginger. Crush the garlic with a knife. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sake. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Place these ingredients in a bag and refrigerate overnight. Place the mesh on top of the cookie sheet so that the oil from the meat oil down while cooking. Coat the mesh with oil to avoid burning. Place the chashu on a cooking sheet. Bake the chashu in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Turn the chashu once. Bake again for 10 minutes.
The tip tends to burn easily, so cover it partially with aluminum foil. When a skewer is inserted into the chashu and a clear component comes out, it is done. If a red component comes out, grill for another 10 minutes. Once cooked, cover the meat with aluminum foil and let sit for 10 minutes.
Prepare Shiraga-negi, white hair-like finely sliced green onions. Cut the leeks lengthwise and remove the inner core. Spread the outside of the leeks and cut them lengthwise into thin strips to make Shiraga-negi. After cutting, soak the leeks in water for 10 minutes. Arrange the chashu pork snack. After serving chashu pork, top with Shiraga-negi and pour the chashu sauce on top. Next, make a bowl of chashu pork. Chop the ends of the chashu. Arrange the rice in a bowl and place the chashu on the rice. Top with the Ijitama seasoned egg cooked in the chashu sauce and the Shiraga-negi. Drizzle the chashu sauce over the dish and it is ready to serve.
Another dish to make is Ichiraku Ramen, Tonkotsu Miso Chashu, familiar from the Naruto anime in Japan. Shiraga-negi, boiled egg, memma. This is an ingredient that Naruto does not like, and Naruto kamaboko, Naruto-shaped fish cake. The Naruto shape is the symbol on the back of the anime Naruto and Konoha's ninja wear.
Prepare the chashu pork.
For the tonkotsu ramen, I will use miso and commercially available Ippudo's tonkotsu ramen.
Combine the tonkotsu soup with miso. Quickly stir the cooked ramen noodles into the ramen soup. Arrange the toppings. Ichiraku's Tonkotsu Miso Chashu like ramen is ready to serve. Chashu is a convenient dish that can be enjoyed by adding it to a variety of dishes.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.